What's your name?
My name's Lexi.
And how are you enjoying chicken, Lexi?
You know, it tastes good, it's fresh, and I make sure I come out early so I get the fresh chicken and the raw chicken. So, yeah, man, it good. It good.
Make sure I wake up early, 6 o'clock, and come out early for the chicken. If I carry a chair too, so I can sit down and wait.
And what about you? What's your name?
I'm Tashi.
And how are you enjoying the chicken?
Well, the chicken nice, you know, I'm almost done still, but yeah, it angle.
And when you guys saw that there was a 50th anniversary deal, what was the plans? Were you guys making preparations ahead of time?
We make sure we cheer them there. We carry the cheer them, we bring all the cheer them, we reach up from 6 o'clock and reach early. That was my plan.
What about you?
I saw the poster last week, Saturday. I went to KFC around 10 o'clock. I'm going to tell my mother, say, Mommy, you know, say, I have to go out for this. And we just go for fireworks last night and we just wake up early and come sit down outside. Everybody outside, I look far away.
Well, for me, Maria for set an alarm because me not wake early. She makes sure I come from 7 o'clock. And my mother makes sure she left her money so I can buy fair big deal. I will come out early. I'm going to bring my chair. So I chair them to run so yeah.
And last question for you guys. Was it worth the wait?
I mean, you see barbecue, 2 chicken done. It's worth the wait, 100%. 100%.
It was well worth the wait. Sorry. It was well worth the wait.
Besides the whole pushing and the whole tumbling, it was worth the wait. The chicken nice, I'm not gonna lie.